square roots. We've kind of already done square roots, and you know how to type them into your calculator, so under Desmos, so let's just make sure we understand completely. One of the things when we're doing square roots, make sure you use the right one. You want the one that does not have the little n with it. That would be bad. You can do it, but you have to extra steps. Okay, when you do the square root and you get a decimal, one of the things you should know about square roots is that if it's not a perfect square, okay, like if it's not a number that gives you just a plain number at the end, an integer, then it is going to have a decimal that goes on forever and ever and ever and ever. And what's difficult here is that we need to remember that we gotta remember what all those decimals are, and that's sometimes hard to do. So I'm gonna do a little copy, and then I'm gonna come over here and do a little paste. Let's see here, edit, paste, because that way I can remember. All right, but if you're writing things down, you won't really have that issue. All right, so now we're gonna do the square root of 98, square root 98, and I get 9.899494933. Holy moly, let's see if I can remember that. 9.89, I already forgot. Let's go back to it. 949. Then it wasn't another 49 after that? Yeah, 4937. We want to write down all the decimals because we're going to be comparing them, and we don't know how many we're going to need when we go to compare it. So as we're writing these down, you want to write down as many as you can, or as many as you think you're going to need. All right, pause the video and try square root of 14. All right, as you think about the square root of 14, one of the things we should remember is that since the square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 16 is 4, this should be, since 14 is between 9 and 16, it should be somewhere between 3 and 4. Let's see, square root 14. Aha, it is 3.7416. Okay, 3.7416, and then more. 57387. All right, it's a lot of stuff there. Okay, when we have a negative, no big deal. Just put a negative in the front. Negative square root 293. Let me show you what happens if you put that negative inside the square root. It goes, ah! Wait, I didn't put the negative inside the square root. If you put that negative inside the square root, it goes, ah! Undefined. It doesn't like it, right? So make sure you put that negative on the outside of the square root, not on the inside. And you get negative 17.117. Did I say that right? 24277. 24277. All right, pause the video and try the next two. And so you should have gotten negative 7.6811454748 and negative 19.1833260. 9. Okay.